One's live here, yeah, and one's live there, and then from there it went off and done this conservatory, and I disconnected all these sockets, remember? Primer's gone on, been rasped down this morning as well, take all them high spots out. Fixed everything in a day, 2 guys, so they've done really well, and it's not even 4 o'clock yet. Plumbers are here, just running through exactly what we need and where. Existing gas is there, and we need to put a new gas supply here for the new oven. A washing machine here and a tumble dryer here. So cold supply here for the fridge freezer. Just come down to IS&G steel stock holders to pick up 2 C channels, because the ones we got from the fabricators are too deep. But these guys, they just supply any steel you need. They have slapped my bum a little bit because they sell 6 metre lengths or 12 metre lengths, and I needed 2 lengths cut at 500mm. 110 quid. But that's what I need. With your structural engineers, but that's a nice little way of extending the beam and bolting it yourself without getting a welder out. I've just chucked my grub in the microwave. I've got to shoot to Chelmsford to meet a young lady about a potential full renovation. I'm just having a walk around, having a measure up for materials. Yeah, it's good, yeah. It's 8 o'clock. I've just finished paddle, had a sauna and a shower, and got to Greggs to get myself some food. I got 4 omelettes, a yum yum, and a sausage and bacon French stick and a flat white with an extra shot for like £8. section here is soft as. I'm just getting the address for this job that I'm going to look at. I've just shot home, unhitched the trailer, I've got some fresh clothes on, grabbed the soda water and lime, because that's how I roll, and then we should be there by 2 o'clock. NW11, you got north or south, XRA. 1 hour and 4 minutes, 44 miles away. 2 police, 2 hazards, go now. Gets me there at 5 to 2. 5 to 2, let's go. Put in for a pit stop at the Shell garage. I'm only round the corner now, so I just grabbed the protein bar and a drink for the meeting. I'll be there in 20 minutes. This is a naughty little road. 65, that's next to that one. Look at that, lovely. Just check what loads are there really. So the engineers took some pictures and some measurements. He's going to go back and do some provide some structural calculations and a working drawing, and then we can put a cost together. Dividing two rooms, we're bang on level. We've got 125 mil, but as we start working our way down, 130 mil, so we're 5 mil low. We're 140 mil, so we're 15 mil low. 145 mil, 20 mil low into the utility room. We have got a termination here, so we could self-leveler on this area and get that nice.
Down a 904 flute stainless steel. Oh my god, it was fucking so difficult, mate.
Was it?
Obviously, yeah, you go.
It's Friday, the sun's out.
And you're paying me lots of money.
And I'm going to pay you loads of money and give you a big fat cuddle and then make everything alright.
Yeah, mate, yeah, I'm coming over in a minute. I loved that video last night, mate. That was fucking, it made me laugh, mate. I love the way that you try and swerve that big wet patch on the fucking floor and all.
Next task, we're going to counter batten this ceiling, just give us that extra depth that we need. Because the cables are all surface mounted, I don't have to worry about hitting anything, so I'm going to use the nail gun with some 90mm nails, obviously go straight through and into the joist.